Hey guys, how's it going? It's going off grid. I just filled up the diesel. Let's see where we are. I just kicked it on, so it's going through its boot process of turning up and turning down. I'm going to run the heater a little bit warmer than normal just because well, I don't know if I will. I might do this just for the start. We're at 1.6 instead of 1.2 is the lowest it goes. But it's just starting to get warm. I guess it's boot sequence. It gets really warm and then throttles back down. That's my guess anyways. And we are going to document exactly how long it runs, how much it costs, and whatnot. It is 6 o'clock. Obviously, I'm going to let you know it's 6 p.m. And we'll let this go 24 hours and see what we're at tomorrow at 6 p.m. Boy, that thing gets ripping when it's starting up. Actually pretty loud in the boot sequence. Anyways, thanks for watching. We got a nice, fairly clear sky. See you guys later. How's it going, guys? It's going off grid. We got an update here. It's the next day, 2 o'clock. We got this thing putzing along at its lowest setting. It says it's 16 degrees in here. I think it's 16 at the front, and at the back it's a little cooler. My tools are all, yeah, they don't feel that cold. They feel close to 16 degrees. A little bit cool to the touch, but it's doing a great job, this heater. And let's see what the fuel consumption has been so far. Pardon the wind noise if it's bad, because it is windy today. I don't know where the microphone is on this new phone. All right, this is what we've used. We're up to right about there. So we've used about 1.5 inches of fuel, maybe almost 2 inches. So I'd say by the time we're done tonight, we're gonna be about here. So it looks like approximately 3 days worth of heat in this tank. It's kind of what I was guessing, but that's all right. That'll be just fine for what I need. It is really cold today and windy, and it's doing a good job heating the trailer, so I am very happy about that. I'm just getting over bronchitis on antibiotics, but I'm starting to feel a lot better. Had about a week off. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I'll give you an update at 6 o'clock, and that'll be a full 24 hours. All right, so it's been exactly 24 hours. It is 6 o'clock the next day, and this is what we have used. We're right full, right to the neck before. So I'd say that's about a third, maybe less than a third, maybe a quarter. So it might go almost 4 days on one tank, it looks like. So anyways, that's your 24-hour test. You can pretty much base everything else off that, at least on the lowest setting. On the highest setting, I wouldn't be surprised if it went through this entire tank in one day, one 24-hour period. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the like button, helps a lot.